The company was formed in 1965 by a chap called Colonel Henry Johns. In its early days, Lovell Johns was all about service cartography, making maps for other publishers. All of our maps were hand-drawn, so it's quite a long-winded process. Everything we do and have done is always based around maps, and that's the core of what we do. We have a digital side of the business where we produce mapping data or digital maps for websites and so on. And then we have what we call our product side of the business, where we design and manufacture and sell our own products under our own Maps International brand. We have fairly complex systems called GIS systems which hold the mapping data. These complex systems enable us to look at this information, change projections, cut bits out and so on. We've got a lot of skills in GIS and manipulating mapping data, which has meant that we can offer these skills and services to different customers.
The main programs that we're using are Illustrator and InDesign and Photoshop. So we're bringing everything together. There's a lot of editorial work, particularly with updating old maps. So we're always bringing in that element as well. And then we're producing print-ready files that generally will proof, check in-house, and then we'll send them out to the client to get their approval. We do most of our own production in-house. Certainly all the bespoke maps that we do, one-off mapping is all printed and produced and finished in-house. But the advantages of having an in-house production team is that we have control over what's coming in and what's going out. So we can define how long we can take to send something out. We're not reliant on somebody else to produce a map for us. We know that the quality is going to be sufficient for our needs.
Through the Business Map Centre brand, we offer a range of products and services for small to medium-sized businesses. They tend to be estate agents, local companies looking for maps of their area, surveyors and the like, those that want to put a map in their office and look at their area. We launched the website mapsinternational.co.uk. It's grown and grown over the years, so now it's got hundreds of products on there with 10 to 12 finishes. We focus very much on product development for Maps International, so we're all the time looking for the next new product that someone would want in their home or in their office. I think one of the things that's helped Maps International over the last sort of 4 or 5 years is the fact that travel is becoming more popular again. Everyone really wants to travel and it's so much easier and cheaper to travel now. We are finding that people want to tell a story of their maps about their travels, about their adventures and where they've been. I think the best thing about Lovell Johns is that we've got some great staff that work for the company. We're able to offer a range of different services and products, but the great thing is that we can bring in our skills to all areas of our business, so create great personalised gifts that can work for Maps International, but also work on brilliant projects on the service side for Lovell Johns.
For the future direction, for us it's all about mapping. Mapping is always at the core of everything